light. It is super, super bright. There's different levels, of course, to the light. Blinking as well if you need to alert someone or have some type of, hazardous light. And then off. So you have 3 different settings. You have full beam, low beam, and the blinking. So this is a really cool product, you guys. Not only do you have these different little ways to choose what kind of blinking you want or different light, you actually also have something back here to where you can put it on its stand if you want to do that. It also has a magnet on the back, so if you wanted to magnetize it to somewhere. It also has this hook here that you just slide right out of the back, and you can then hook it on something to use the light like that. And then the 4th way you can actually display it is you can hang it on a nail, because there is this little contraption here that you can hang it on the wall. This is a very thorough product here. It is from Lighting Expert Warsun. That is the company. I really like it that it pan-tells. It's small, but yet it really packs a punch. It's really, really bright. You have 3 different options here. This is really great for night fishing as well. That's one of the things that they specifically mentioned, is that it's great for fishermen at nighttime. So it is bright, bright yellow with this black base around it. It's really a solid light. You can tell it's very heavy duty. The features, again, are the high beam, the low beam, and the blinking feature. This is honestly a great addition to any toolbox. Really, anyone from any walk of life can really have a super bright light. Anyone could need a bright light come handy at a time or another. So I definitely recommend this to you guys. Even if you are not into doing anything outdoors or anything like that, this is honestly just a great little tool to keep in your car or your home. If you were to be stranded somewhere, this is a great light. Or if you lose power at your house or something, again, a really great powerful light that will give you 4 to 12 hours of the light. So I definitely recommend this for you guys.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.